How to hard reset Skullcandy Rail ANC Bluetooth earbuds. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will exactly show you on how to fix this. Now, let's navigate through the official support page or official support website of Skullcandy. In here, if you do not have audio streaming in both earbuds or you have pairing issues, please proceed through these steps below and reset your earbuds to get them streaming correctly. Now, if you're having some problems with your earbuds, this is the right step to do. Basically, first things first, you have to remove the Rail ANC from your Bluetooth pair device list settings. And then you want to turn off the Bluetooth for your mobile devices. Remove both earbuds from the case. A tone and voice prompt will indicate your earbuds are powered on. And from here, you simply want to press and hold both earbud sensor for 6 seconds. A tone will indicate a successful reset and the right earbud will flash purple 6 times. A voice prompt will say ready to pair and both earbuds will pulse blue and red. On your device, open your Bluetooth and you want to go ahead and turn your Bluetooth on. From there, you can just select your earbuds and it should go ahead and be reset already. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.